Good morning, students. It's me, Dakshina. I'm here again with my next video, and the topic is group discussion. Today we will discuss why is a GD conducted. Over the recent years, group discussion became a popular method of assessing a candidate's soft skills. The contenders who are shortlisted on basis of written exams have qualified with their intelligence quotient, aptitude and knowledge. However, since the significance of emotional quotient arose, new tools such as GD were devised to gauge candidates' social and interpersonal skills. Organizations conduct GDs to find out whether you possess the critical qualities, skills to contribute effectively to the goal accomplishment process. Why GD is important? It helps evaluate whether a candidate is the right fit for the organization. It helps assess how a participant performs under different situations in a group. It helps to judge how one conceptualizes and maneuvers his ideas through the discussion. It helps in analyzing the candidate's attitude towards fellow members through one's communication and interpersonal skills, listening ability, humility, and tolerance to other ideas. It helps in shedding light on candidates' leadership and managerial skill, problem solving aptitude, creative thinking, and knowledge on diverse topics. Since teamwork is an essential element of business management and corporate work sphere, a person's ability to perform well in a GD is very critical for a successful career. A GD helps to achieve group goals as well as individual goals. The examiner can evaluate both the personality traits and group skill of candidates participating in a GD. It is basically a situation test wherein a sample of a candidate's group worthiness and potential as a worker comes out quite explicit. What are the various types of group discussion? Most group discussion can be divided into three kinds. A topical group discussion, which are based on current affairs or static matters. For example, a GD on the topic of the recent demonstration, a demonetization of 100, 500 and 1000 notes would be the former, whereas a GD on whether India should adopt a presidential model of democracy and would be the latter, as it has no limitation of a time frame. Second, case studies which present the group with a complex business situation that requires a decision to be made. Such cases usually have multiple problems embedded in the given situation, and both the individual participants and the group are required to analyze the situation, identify the problems, and suggest a way out. C. Abstract group discussion, which are called so because they offer us no definite framework of the topic and hence no definite direction to take in the discussion. Instead, the participants are required to interpret the topic in their own ways and demonstrate innovative thinking in doing so. Such topics could be single worded, such as blue, or a short cryptic sentence, or even in image. Contrary to popular perceptions, no one kind of GD is necessarily easier or more difficult than any other, as the quality of response in any case depends largely on the preparation of the individual and the way they generally linked. Think. Thank you.